Hi children, hope all are fine. And now we are going to learn the chapter money. What do you mean by money? Money is a coin or a note. Why do we need the money? We need money to buy the things. You have seen when you go to a shop or your mummy, papa, or with anybody you want to take something from the shop, you have to give the money. How? Let us see about that. See children. See here 50 paise. We call the currency notes for these all things. First I'm going to show. We don't have nowadays 50 paisa coins. They have shown here. Now 2 rupees coins. See children, it will be written on the, see, this is a symbol of rupees coin, see, 2 it is written. It is made up of metal, okay, this is made up of metal. Then 10 rupees coins, 10 rupee. See children, this is, we don't have coin for 10 rupees. We have a currency note and the value will be written rupee 10. And here someone is there. Do you recognize? He is a Mahatma Gandhi. See, this is 10 rupees. And next 20 rupees. Actually I don't have 20 rupees with me. 1 rupee. I'll show you 1 rupee coin. See, it is written 1 rupee. And then we have 5 rupees coin. See, 5 rupees 5 it is written. And then we have here it is written 50 rupees. See children, the value will be written here with the rupee symbol. This is a symbol of a rupees. When we are writing, we are using this symbol 50 rupees. Okay, I'll come from this first. See, 1 rupee coin, it is a coin. 2 rupees coins, 5 rupee coin, okay, 10 rupee note, the 10 rupees, see, it is written 10 rupees, and this is rupees 50, and even we have rupee 100 children, okay, this is rupees 100, okay. Then let us see. You have to see what is the value. See, coming to the next page. Coming to the next page. See, they have written 50 paisa. They told us to write. On this coin, the value will be written. That has to be written here. Value is 50 paise. Then what is written here? 1. We have to write the symbol and 1. Next, see, 2. Just you can even write like this 2. What is this? 5. See here, what is this? 1. Nowadays we don't have this notes. 2 rupees we don't have nowadays. So just write what is written here, value. 5 rupee. We don't find nowadays 5 rupees notes also. See, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50. The value is written on the note, just write that. Okay, coming to the next page. See, we have to match 1. This is a 1 rupee. Match as shown in the picture. Match, we have to match to the rupees what it is given and where is it is written. Which is this children? See here, we can see 5. Where is 5 rupee? Here. Just draw a line and match. This is 2 rupees. This is 20 rupees. 10 rupees. 50 rupees. Okay. See children, 1 rupee, 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 50 rupees. Okay, now we have some coins. See, 50 paise, that is match the pictures with the value of coins. 50 paise. I can't show the 50 paise, children. I'll show again 1 rupee. See, 1 rupee coin. It is written, value is written on this. See, we have value is on this rupee with the symbol. 1 rupee. Where is the 1 rupee? Here. Match this. 2 rupees. See, 2 rupees. 2 rupees. 2 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 rupees. See, the coin is here. 5 rupees. Okay. This is a way how. See, know this 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees are available both in coins and notes. How many paisa make 1 rupee? See, children, this is a very important thing. 1 rupee make 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupee. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. And as I have told, this is a symbol for rupee. Okay, see, we have a symbol on this. Here on this also, and even on this also, see, and even on 10 rupees also. For each and every currency or a coin, we have the symbol, children. Okay, coming to the next page. See, children, here we have some activities. See, look at the chart and find the amount of each article. Write it in the given box. See, children, they have given an article and here they have given 20 rupees note and 5 rupees. So, currency, it is 20 plus 5 is 25. In the same way, here we have a ball and here we have to recognize it. 10 rupees currency, 5 rupees. 10 plus 5 is 15, children. We have to add and write that. Okay. Now observe 2 chocolates. We have only here 2 1 rupees. That equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. Here we have a toy car. How much is the value of this? See, when we are giving money, we have to calculate and give it to the shopkeeper. See, 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 is 40, 40 plus 10 is 50, children. Write down 50 here. And next, oh, yummy ice cream. We have an ice cream here. So, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 rupees. What is the cost of ice cream? It is a 5 rupees. See, so nice, no, children? Try to recognize the notes. Take when you should not alone go to shop and buy the things. Take your elders and go to the shop. See, when you are giving amount, recognize, children. When mama is giving the amount to the shopkeeper, see that and recognize the notes. Okay, and you have to add in this way. Okay, we'll go to next page.